Ladies, gentlemen, builders, coders, pixel painters, block wizards, and you. Yes, you. The sleep-deprived mastermind. With 12 tabs open and a dream too large for normal software. Welcome to Omni-Science, the website that looked at ordinary tool platforms, adjusted its gloves, and said, "That's adorable. Now stand back and watch this." Because Omni-Science is not one little website with one little gimmick. Oh no. It is a workshop, a control room, a builder's lab, and a digital fever dream with extremely good posture. For coding, there is Omni-Codespace, your development workspace, your project bunker, your bug hunting command center. This is where ideas stop being imaginary and start becoming software. This is where tabs multiply, ambition escalates, and your keyboard begins to fear you. Help me! For building, there is Omni-Structure Editor, and not in the cute little place a few blocks and smile politely way. No. This is for dramatic structures, giant creations, fast iteration, and the kind of world building that makes someone stare at the screen and whisper, that should not have been possible that quickly. You want visuals? OmniGraph turns raw numbers into actual graphs. OmniPix Studio gives you a browser-based pixel art studio for sprites, tile sets, and animations. Like me! So, whether you're building logic, art, or a beautiful little empire of organized chaos, Omni-Science is just warming up. And then come the utility blades. Omni Obfuscator. It helps you protect your code. Omni QR code makes scannable little squares of modern wizardry. Magic! Omni Convert to text helps pull useful text out of the mess. Omni Text Editor handles writing and editing. Omni PDF Editor handles document surgery. And then, we open the mighty block gates of the Minecraft division. Bedrock Asset Library helps you work with pack assets. Bedrock Lag Analyzer hunts down the performance problems like a bloodhound with trust issues. Omni Recipe Studio helps generate recipe code. Bedrock Wiki Creator helps turn add-on work into real documentation. Wireframe Texture Creator helps with texture generation. And Omni-Structure Editor stands there again, grinning like a lunatic, because yes, it is that important. And if you're thinking, fine, but what about the server side? Oh, splendid question, mysterious voice in my head. The Omni-Science Minecraft server dashboard is for managing the Omni-Science Bedrock server. Bedrock server. Bedrock server. The Omni-Science voice proximity chat is for the Omni-Science Bedrock server too. Not everybody's server. It's ours. Our glorious little blocky kingdom. A place where management and immersion stop acting like strangers. They practically get married. And backstage, behind the velvet rope, there are the in-progress monsters. OmniForge. If you know Bridge Core Editor, let me tell you, buddy. This thing is basically Bridge Core Editor on steroids. The add-on importer. Omni Video Editor. Omni Quiz. And something far cooler than the phrase D&D website has any right to be. These are not being paraded around as finished miracles just yet. These are the workshop doors rattling, breaking at the freaking shims. In fact, I think the hinges fell off last Tuesday. So no, Omni-Science is not just a website. It is where coding tools meet creator tools. Where Minecraft systems meet world-building power. Where utilities stop being annoying little chores and start acting like loyal henchmen, where impossible projects go to become deeply real. And if you are tired of juggling 10 apps, 12 tabs, 4 converters, 2 editors, and 1 tutorial narrated by a man who sounds like he lives inside of a soup can, then stop suffering. Stop improvising your workflow out of duct tape and optimism. Just go to Omni-Science. Code harder. Build bigger. Create faster. And make ridiculous things properly.